nakilala siya bilang pambansang ginoo. Alaman nyo na ang tunay na kwento ng buhay ng the one and only David Licauco. Hi, David! Hello, wow! This is so nice! Kuya Korea, ito ang negosyo mo.
Yes, Karen.
At ginawa mo lang ito, hindi to franchise, sayong-sayo to.
From scratch.
From scratch, paano mo to naisip?
This started nung I went to Cash and Carry to buy supplements.
Oh,
And then, may nakita akong sangyup in a bowl. And then naisip ko, uy, parang okay yun ah. Kasi parang wala pa masyadong ganun.
so talagang
Yeah.
entrepreneur po siya. Ipakita mo naman ang negosyo mo, hindi madali po magsimula ng negosyo, ha?
Yeah. It's a Korean comfort
Okay.
food. So we have mga bulgogi to pork sangyup in a bowl.
Malabo na po mata ko, so ito na tayo.
And
Okay.
we have chicken, mga Korean fried chicken, we have noodles also. Tapos may milk tea and bingsu.
Ito ba ang una mong negosyo?
No. My first ever business was a boxing gym in Taft. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng healthy online business din. Parang mga nagbebenta ako ng healthy food, mga from keto, ganyan. And then yung next ko is Sobra, comfort food. Online lang siya. Online lang kami nag-start. And then meron na kaming restaurant now sa sa Molito, Sobra
Oo.
Cafe na siya.
Pero baka iniisip ng mga viewers natin ngayon, ang yaman-yaman ni David Licauco, kaya ang dami niyang negosyo.
Hindi.
Yung una mo bang negosyo, tinulungan ka ng mga magulang mo or ikaw yun?
Yung sa boxing gym, umutang ako sa dad ko.
Umutang ka, magkano inutang mo nun?
Hindi naman ganun kalaki kasi I use my own money rin. So,
Oo.
mga 600.
Tas nabayaran mo na yun.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Bakit mahilig ka talaga sa negosyo, no?
Yeah, kasi yung parents ko talagang negosyante.
Oo.
And also, my friends, so parang everyday would talk about business.
Yeah.
Hello!
Ito
hi
ang mga
kayo.
guys ng Kuya Korea. Di ba? Ito yung kanilang kusina. So, gaano katagal na ang negosyong to, David?
We started September 2022.
Wow, so bago lang ito.
Yeah.
So, ilang buwan pa lang to at kamusta?
6 months.
Nagulat ka ba? Kumikita?
Okay naman, kumikita siya. And actually, we're starting to have it franchise na. Starting in 2 months, papa-franchise na kami.
Wow.
And we have like, marami ng inquiries.
Oo. Fulfilled ka talaga pag nagne-negosyo.
Yeah, I just like creating things and I like solving problems. Kaya siguro yung business, sobrang challenging siya for me. But I love challenges kasi.
David, ba't mo naisip magnegosyo?
I think it was because of the influence of my friends, my family. Kasi I grew up in a Chinese high school. And diba, like, as we know, like, yung mga Chinese medyo into business talaga. And I also realized na, showbiz is not forever.
Ang dami nga nagtatanong, ba't ka ba pumasok ng showbiz?
I would say because I failed in becoming a professional basketball player. Super unexpected kasi yung showbiz. Kasi, like, hindi naman ako lumaki ng crush ng bayan. I don't know, it just really happened. I was just walking along Bora, tapos biglang may lumapit sa akin na agent, and he asked me whether I wanted to become like a model. Tapos after that, nagulat ako kasi ang alam ko na naman nun, medyo malaking katawan ko, medyo parang medyo feeling sexy lang, gano'n. Pero hindi ko inisip ever na parang I could be a model, di ba? So, I told my mom, and even to her, na-surprise din siya, nagulat din siya na, ha? Talaga ba? So, yun, and after that, it just snowballed from there.
Oo. Ang pangarap mo talaga noon, maging basketball player. Hindi ba yun natuloy dahil you got into a car accident?
Yes. So, magbabarkada kami, high school friends, and we decided to go to Tagaytay. Tapos yung pag-uwi namin, na-hit namin yung gas truck sa SLEX.
Oh, but you were driving?
No, I was in the passenger seat in
Okay.
front.
Oo.
Medyo parang miracle siya.
Oo.
Kasi I remember, nung nag-backing yung kotse sa Leslie's, di ba yung parking boy, usually nasa side ng driver? Pero for some reason, parang miracle na lang for me na nandun siya sa side ko. Sabi niya, "Sir, seatbelt lang po ah." Sabi niya ganun. So parang natulog ako kasi I was really sleepy. And then, dun sa may toll gate, for some reason, nagising ako bigla. Parang may gumising sa akin. And I remembered what that parking boy told me. So then I did. Nag-seatbelt ako. You know, like after 10 minutes, along sa may sa may Parañaque, we hit the gas truck. Yeah, so, yun. Miracle lang din talaga.
Pero ano nangyari sa mga kasamahan niyo?
We were
Okay.
5. And then, yung best friend ko na namatay siya.
That was a life-changing experience.
Yeah, definitely.
David, that's traumatic. That's tragic. Did you think you were gonna die?
At that point, parang wala na akong ibang maisip kung hindi pumunta sa hospital. Because like everyone was crying. Like I tried my best to parang help, but I couldn't help anyone because I couldn't even help myself.
And describe your friend. Who was he?
He was my best friend. He was my neighbor, and we grew up together. And I would always play basketball with him. And you know, Miss Karen, medyo sinisik ko rin kasi yung sarili ko. Because what if I didn't sleep? What if sinamaan ko yung driver na parang pwede siyang maiwasan kung mas naging aware ako, mas naging wise ako in that situation. Marami akong realizations nung na-bedridden ako. Parang na-realize ko yung importance of life. Mas minahal ko yung sarili ko, mas minahal ko yung friends ko and family. Because you never know. Like life is just lent to us.
Looking back now, do you think it was a miracle? You were saved by the Lord.
Yeah, kasi parang feeling ko angel yung gumigising sa akin. Parang si God talaga. Parang, I don't know, medyo baka weird yung sabihin ko, pero parang meron ako nakita that time na parang light. Parang, "Hey David, wake up." Parang ganun eh. So,
My God.
parang wear your seatbelt, ganun. So, our God is amazing. Just so happy.
I'm so happy you're sharing this. Really.
Nung time na yun, mas naging thankful lang ako. Mas pinapasalamatan ko si God kasi like, kung di dahil sa kanya, baka wala na ako ngayon eh. Na parang I also thanked Him na meron pa akong purpose. Like maybe kaya ako hindi pa kinuha ni Lord is because I still have a purpose in life.
Palagay mo, what's your purpose? Ako naniniwala ko may purpose ka.
I'd like to think na I wanna serve as an inspiration to the youth, to the fans, and to my friends, to my family.
Good boy ka ba talaga?
Good boy na
Diba?
medyo
Good
bad
boy
boy.
ba?
Joke lang. Sa akin,
Pero-
okay. I would say na hindi ako, Miss Karen, umaabot sa ceiling na inom.
Oo.
Parang just, I mean, I love wine. Parang gano'n lang, relax and chill lang. Never got into any fights growing up.
What was it like at home?
Never nila ako ni-spoil. Kaya rin siguro naging ganito ako ka-sipag. Sometimes before, especially, parang I would question myself kung bakit hindi nila ako binibigyan ng ganito, hindi na ako binibigyan ng ganito, bakit yung friends ko ganito.
Saan ka nga pala tumutuloy? I can bring you home if you want.
You've been in more than 24 TV shows.
Wow.
Bago mo naabot yung ganitong kasikatan because of
Maria Clara.
Maria Clara at Ibarra. At any point, naisip mo ba, ano ba naman to, Lord? Kailan ba ako magtatagumpay?
It's more like mas naging realistic lang ako. Na prior to Maria Clara, parang yung mga shows ko, leading man, but I never really expected this kind of magnitude of, like fame. Yeah,
Because God's time is now
Yeah.
for you.
I'm happy. I'm happy, but at the same time, it's overwhelming. Kasi, honestly, Miss Karen, growing up, since Christian family nga, growing up, medyo mahihain ka. Like, it was really hard for me to be comfortable around new people.
Yeah.
Diba? So, yun, like right now, syempre, na marami na pa picture. Sometimes, medyo na ako, parang, Shit. Parang di naman sa naiinis ako nagpa-picture sila.
Oo,
It's more about...
na-overwhelm ka.
Na-overwhelm ako kasi di ako sanay sa attention.
And what about your parents?
What I appreciate naman with my parents, talagang sinusupport nila ako dito sa showbiz. Like my dad, I know na gusto niyang tulungan ko na siya sa business niya. Pero tinatanggap niya. Like, in-understand niya yung gusto kong gawin, na gusto ko sarili.
Now, I read that you have sleep apnea.
Yeah.
Sleep apnea can be very dangerous, no?
This started kasi noong 2011. I played in Taiwan. And then may isang basketball player na malaki doon na natamaan niya yung nose ko.
Oo.
So from there, parang tas after like mga 2 days dun sa hotel sa Taiwan, first time ko na-experience na parang akong binabangungot na hindi ako makahinga. I only had it checked 2021.
Tiniis mo.
Kasi all along, I thought na bangungot lang, like parang baka multo or something like that. Actually, ang dami kong sugat eh. Kasi kinakamot ko yung dami kong sugat dito. Kasi
Naman, David talaga. Kinakamot mo sarili mo para magising ka?
yeah, ganun. Kasi parang struggle siya magising. Mahirap kasi magising. So basically, my breathing stops for 24 times in an hour, 30 seconds straight. So, ayun, medyo delikado nga talaga siya. But then I have my ways. So I have to get operated
Oo.
sa nose, sa throat, para maging okay.
Nag-worry naman ako sa'yo.
So yun, so parang every day, parang nakatapat ng electric fan.
Oo.
So in the morning nga, medyo bad mood talaga ako kasi syempre yung experience ko sa gabi. Tapos nasa showbiz pa ako na parang you have to be nice to everybody. I mean in every industry
Yeah.
naman. The past 12 years, 11 years, never really had good sleep. Kumbaga may level siya eh. May level na pwede na, pero masama pa rin. May level na sobrang sama. But usually nandun siya sa sobrang sama. Every day. So yeah, I mean, I just have to live with it naman.
No, don't live with it. I want you as a mother, Nanay Biglay, I want you to fix it.
Yeah, I will.
You have to. Ang bata-bata mo pa.
Yun nga eh.
Wow, okay. So, magluluto na tayo ngayon with David. Ito yung, anong tawag niyo sa chicken niyo?
Korean fried chicken.
Korean fried chicken. So, what is unique about your fried chicken?
I would say the breading, yung sauces namin. Since Korean fried chicken siya, like dinidip talaga namin siya sa mga sauce. ganyan.
So, may unique sauces ito.
Yeah.
So, ano to?
Korean.
Ano ba to? Spicy? Or is it...
Yeah, we
go,
have-
Mike, go ahead.
That's classic fried chicken.
Classic,
So, wala
oh.
ko siyang flavor right now.
Oo.
So, kasi breading chicken,
Yeah.
salt, pepper only. And
Yes.
then, what's different is we're using Korean products talaga.
Yeah.
Oo.
Guys, si Mike kasi na partner ni David is a chef. Right? Okay.
So, ano kasi, for chicken, we're using a double fry.
Okay.
First fry para mas crispy siya. And then after nito, dinidip namin siya sa different sauces.
Wow.
Nakamatamaan ko yun.
Oo, okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna explain the dish. Ito ang kimchi noodles. So right now, we have kimchi, and then ilalagay ko tong noodles.
Noodles.
This is the noodles.
Specialty nyo to.
Yes,
Yes,
it's a homemade
Karen.
kimchi. And then, sige David, palagay naman ng chicken sa sauce.
Okay. Dip
This
natin.
one is a gochujang paste.
Anong meaning? Ano yun?
Gochu in Korean is pepper. So that's
super spicy.
Not spicy
Yun naman.
naman. Ano naman siya, tolerable. And then pepper paste talaga to with sesame oil, sesame seed, and then sugar. So that's classic gochujang.
Karen, try mo naman.
Wow.
Try mo.
Mamaya. Beer ba?
Yeah, let's try later. So yan. Then reheat lang the noodles with some gochu paste.
Oo.
Ng pandemic, dahil wala kaming ginagawa,
Nag-start na kami sa condo.
through onlines. So, nabuo yung concept ng sobra.
Kasi ako sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
Ako yung nag-reply sa Instagram.
Yeah, oo.
Nagbabook ng Grab, ng mga
O,
delivery
isipin
service.
nyo si David
Yeah.
Licauco nagbubook ng Grab para sa restaurant. Yan,
Lahat
ganyan
talaga.
dapat.
Yeah.
Yes. Hands-on kami tatlo nun.
napaka-good boy naman. Good nito. Oo, so hands-on.
Yes, so,
Oo. So ano ang role ninyo sa negosyo? Kasi may mga negosyo nagfe-fail. Ikaw, you're in charge of the menu.
yes, so importante kasi alam namin yung duties and responsibilities ng isa't isa. So David Licauco is marketing, lahat ng marketing kung paano ibenta yung products. Pagdating naman sa products, ako yun. About the operation.
Yeah.
And then one of my partner is finance.
Yes. Okay, ano nangyayari ngayon? Ano naman to?
Right now, ito naman yung sorry,
Japchae.
japchae. So,
Okay, anong nandun?
this is glass noodles, shiitake mushroom, and then yung homemade sauce namin for japchae.
Anong bestseller nyo?
Right now, this the gochujang.
Ito.
Yes, and then the ganjang. This is the ganjang. Ganjang in Korean is soy and garlic.
I think this is my type. It's sweet.
Yes,
Yeah.
so may soy and garlic flavor siya.
Hirap ako sa anything spicy kasi. So, eto is,
Yeah.
diba, soy and
Sweet,
garlic. Ito,
sweet soy.
ito. Wow.
Try mo, Miss Karen, masarap yan.
Oo.
So yeah, this is the kimchi fried noodles.
Mag, lagyan mo ng chicken.
Yes, sige.
Chicken.
Ano?
Oh, ayun
Ayun.
na. Kainin mo na.
Sarap, bro. So yeah.
So ito yung kimchi fried noodles.
This is the kimchi
yan.
fried noodles with 2-piece chicken and egg. See?
So yung taste niya is parang slightly spicy. Tapos may Filipino twist.
Yeah.
Kaya pasok sa mga Pinoys.
You and Barbie are you're a good team. Ang daming kinikilig sa inyo. And to think, she admits to having a real-life boyfriend and you are...
No,
You're
I'm
not-
single. Kaka-break lang.
Oh my gosh, talaga?
Yeah.
Kilala ko ba?
No.
So, not in showbiz?
Not in showbiz.
Okay, is it difficult to have a girlfriend now?
Yes, I would say. Because, just, I mean, I understand na mahirap naman talaga intindihin yung job ng isang artista, especially kung leading man ka, like your roles na sometimes you have to kiss a girl, you have to like hold hands in public, di ba? And ako kasi I prefer non-showbiz
Oo,
girlfriend.
bakit?
Siguro kasi doon ako lumaki. Di ba? And mas same yung wavelength. I mean, artista ako pero I feel like I'm not an artista kasi.
So, pwede pala siya mag-date. Wala siyang girlfriend.
Yeah, but it's hard.
Are you
na.
dating?
It's hard. No.
Oo.
At the moment, parang na-realize ko kasi sa last relationship ko na it's really hard to understand like showbiz. And ayoko rin na mahirapan yung... Kasi hirap na hirap yung last ko sa showbiz career ko. So, ayoko naman magkaroon ako ng girl na mahirapan ulit. Kasi mahirap naman talaga intindihan, Miss Karen.
Oo. You're 27 years old.
Yeah.
When do you want to get married?
Actually, before, I wanted to get married mga 30, 29, ganon. But like right now, like with showbiz, kung ano yung tinatakbo ng career ko, parang siguro mga 34. I wanna save up muna for my future family.
After Maria Clara, what's next for you and Barbie?
We have a movie.
Yeah. I saw some photos.
Yes. So mag-start na kami mag-shooting next week. And we have a teleserye also coming up.
Palagay mo, why is it working with you and Barbie?
It's because of the people behind the camera eh. Like the directors, the writers. Kasi di ba yung director namin sa Maria Clara, ang ganda talaga ng shots eh.
But what about your chemistry?
Siguro yung dynamics lang din siguro na medyo nasa side ako ng medyo tahimik, na medyo ganun, na medyo pa-cute. Medyo pa-cute ng konti. Tapos si Barbie na medyo, yun na nga, like what you said,
Diba?
na barako.
It's
Baka
cute.
yung nag-work kasi sa
Yeah.
Philippine showbiz.
If there was somebody you would want to partner with from ABS-CBN,
I'm a big fan of Kathniel. Talaga. Like, growing up, pinapanood ko sila sa sine.
pwedeng si Daniel Catherine, ikaw yung other guy.
Pwede. Something like that. Yun.
Pwede yun.
Yun, pwede.
David, you've had miracles in your life, surviving that car accident, and even where God has taken you today. Meron ka bang life verse?
It's John 3:16 because like back in the day sa Grace Christian High School, like yung exit ng ano namin, exit ng school, nandun yung verse eh. So every day I would see it, ganun. So it says na, "For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, and whoever believes in Him shall not perish and have an eternal life."
At naniniwala ka, ito ang kwento ng buhay mo?
Yeah, because like syempre like with God's love, like I'm able to do these things. He's so giving. Like He loves us so much na parang kahit minsan, I mean, I'm not perfect. Obviously, meron din naman tayong mga nagagawang masama, but He's still there and He loves us so much.